Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to Academia Coaches. The topic of today's discussion is gene regulation in prokaryotes. Gene regulation in prokaryotes is different from that of eukaryotes because both the process of translation and transcription take place in the nucleus of the cell. And in prokaryotes, the transcription and translation are not separated by nuclear membrane. So the DNA of prokaryote is organized into circular chromosomes, which is known as chromosomal DNA, and it is supercoiled and present within the nucleoid region of the cytoplasm. Now I am drawing the prokaryotic DNA. 5' to 3' direction DNA of prokaryotes. The prokaryotic DNA composed of regulatory genes. These are regulatory genes. And also contain the operon. The operon system of prokaryote contains structural genes which are going to be transcribed. Gene A, B, C and D. And these are known as structural genes. The operon is a self-regulatory series of genes, and the operon also contains special segment of genes that regulate the protein synthesis and known as operator and the promoter. Promoter and operator, these are the regulatory genes that involve in regulation of gene expression, but they do not code for the protein. And these promoter, operator and structural genes are known as operon. In operon, the genes are placed close together and they are encoded by a single promoter. And expression of genes are regulated by a single promoter, and these are known as operon. And the proteins that are needed for function or involved in biochemical pathways are encoded together in blocks, which are known as the operon. In prokaryotes, there are 3 types of regulatory molecules. These regulatory molecules affect the expression of genes. Affect expression of genes. The 3 types of regulatory molecules includes repressor, activator and inducer. The repressor and activator, these 2 molecules are produced in cell and both regulate gene expression. The activator binds to the promoter region of the gene and it regulates the expression of gene, while the repressor binds to the operator region of the gene and it repress the or prevent the expression of gene. And inducers are also produced by the cell and they either activate or repress gene function or expression of gene depending upon the need of the cell. These are 3 types of regulatory molecules are very important in the expression of genes in the prokaryotes. There are 3 types of operon system or system of gene regulation in prokaryotes that are known as tripoperon or tryptophan operon. Sorry, these are not included in this. Operon. And second type of operon is cap operon and activator operon. And third type is lac operon, which is an inducible operon or inducer operon. My total lecture was about the gene regulation in prokaryotes introduction. In my next lectures, I will explain these 3 types of operon system in detail. Thank you so much viewers and Allah Hafiz.
Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest and more relevant videos. Thank you.